So hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be installing some custom skates on this Razer Viper. What this is going to do today is tell you whether you should change the skates if you want a faster glide, or if you're happy with the control perhaps, and just give you an idea of what benefit you're going to get from potentially doing that. So today we're going to install Tiger skates. These have been sent to me from someone on Reddit because they want me to test and see if these are any better compared to the stock skates that you get on the Razer Viper. Got a hairdryer to take the skates off. You can use lighter fluid, and I'm going to do that in another video. I just need to get hold of some. But apparently that's slightly better than using a hairdryer because you don't damage them as much. We've got a force gauge meter here to test the glide force across the 4 mice pads that we use, which is the Logitech G640, the Qck+, we've got the MP510 from Cooler Master, and we've also got the GSR from Zowie Divina edition, and we use those as our baseline pads, and all these statistics will give you an idea of how quick these skates are against each other. We've also got a caliper here to measure the size of the skates. So if you're not familiar with how I take the measurements in my test, there's a link in the description to a video that shows you how I do all my measurements across all my videos, and that'll give you an idea of what you're actually looking at here, and if that's going to benefit you or not when you want to change them out. If you want to catch up with any of this information, including my reviews that I do on mice as well, check out my beardedbob.com website. So first up is the Logitech G640. This is a worn pad. This is one I use in my daily, so this will be a little bit slower than it will be if you get it out of the box. And you can see the stock skates here have an average normal sideways of 26, normal forwards of 41, reverse sideways of 28, reverse forwards of 43. Gives it an average skate glide of 35 grams. Then we run the Tigers, and the average NSW is 24, NFW is 27, RSW 26 and RFW is 32, giving us an average of 26 grams glide force. So you can see here instantly the Tigers here are actually quicker. These are rounded edges here on the Tiger skates, which is good to see, and that's potentially helping it here glide a little bit quicker. That is quite an improvement there. It's 9 grams of force here difference, and that is definitely a smoother glide, and you can certainly feel that when you do that across the pad. So on the Steelseries Qck+ here, the average NSW was 25, NFW 32, RSW 24, and RFW 33, giving an average glide of 28 grams. When we look at the Tigers here, the NSW is 28 grams, NFW 27, RSW 23, and RFW 28, giving the total average for 25 grams on this glide. And again, the Tigers here showing a slight improvement, not as much as against the G640, but 3 grams here in improvement. So when we sit here and look at the Steelseries versus the G640 with the Tiger skates here on the stock, you can see here that the Tigers here are certainly giving you a faster glide across both of these pads. So moving on to Cooler Master MP510 here, the NSW is 24, NFW 26, RSW 24, and RFW 29, gives us an average of 25 grams. The Tigers NSW is 24, NFW 24, RSW 25 and RFW 30, giving us an average of 25 grams. So when we look at these 3 pads together here, they're all very, very close on the Tiger skates here. Even the G640 is pretty close here if you're looking at the averages, which is kind of what you're going to use because that's forwards, backwards, left and right. So the Tigers certainly are evening out the playing field here, whereas the stocks showed quite a considerable difference between the pads. So the last one here is the Zowie GSR SE Divina here. So standard skates, NSW was 23, NFW 32, RSW 26, and RFW 33, giving the GSR here an average of 29 with stock skates. So when we look at the Tigers on the GSR here, the NSW was 25, the NFW was 30, RSW 26, and RFW 29, giving it an average of 28 on Tigers. So when we look at all of these pads here, with these skates, both stock and Tigers, you can see here that the Tigers do make a bit more of an even playing field here, but it keeps the pads kind of in that kind of same sequence where the MP510, although it's tied here with the QCK, is the fastest, the G640, and then the GSR, which has always been the case really. So let's conclude all this. So is it worth putting Tigers on this Razer Viper? I would say so. If you want a faster glide, these are definitely showing an improvement here over the stocks. With all mice, there is a slight difference on whether these skates are going to give you a benefit, but in these tests here, this one is definitely showing as an improvement for the Viper, so not bad. So I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else. We've got the MM710 coming as a review very shortly. Cool Master have sent me this one. Ultralight 2, and I'm waiting for the -0 from Glorious as well. We'll do a review across all those. And I've also got a review on the M1K coming out next week as well, so some nice reviews going, along with a load of other mice pads that we're going to do, because I need to get some more of these out, because I've got loads of pads. Haven't done much of the testing yet because I've been tied up, but let's get it on. Oh, and the Razer Viper teardown is on its way very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye bye.